Thank you for joining me today. I'm Steve Brooks, a wrongful death personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Florida. Today's video tip is about how do you become a lawyer? I often get asked that question by friends and clients. Becoming a lawyer is a difficult thing. It takes a lot of work. Number one, you got to get a 4 years bachelor degree. I got my undergraduate degree in business administration with a leaning towards finance. Then I got out of school and I took the LSAT, which stands for Law School Admission Test. I did really well in that, scored in the top 2% in the country. Then I applied to law school, got accepted to the law school of my choice. That's in the University College of Law over in St. Petersburg, Florida. And I attended that for 3 years. And then you had to take the bar exam, which is a long exam that the state of Florida that you must pass before you can practice law in the state of Florida. It's a very intensive exam, takes a lot of preparation. If you pass the exam, then you can move to the next step where you have to pass an intensive background investigation for character and fitness. And the Florida bar is serious about this. They do not want members of the bar that are not stewards of character and integrity. And then the last thing you got to do, if you go to law school, you got to spend the next 20 years paying back your student loans because it's an expensive process. So I tell you this because I wanted to explain all the steps and all the processes an attorney must go through before they can become a lawyer, before they can sit behind the desk and answer your questions or pick up the phone and answer your call. And with that, I'm going to urge you to call me if you have questions about any legal matter. We're here to help. My name is Steve Brooks, 188-936-3264. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.